Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
The supporters of popular Nigerian Afrobeat singer Seun Kuti are gathered outside Yaba Magistrate Court ahead of his assault trial. Justice Adeola Olatubosun of the Chief Magistrate Court in Yaba, Lagos State, has reportedly adjourned the trial of Afrobeat musician Seun Kuti to Wednesday, May the 24th, 2023. The trial, which was supposed to take place today, May the 23rd, 2023, was said to have been adjourned as a result of the judge's absence from the court.
Free Seun Kuti! 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 Greatest Nigerian people! Of the greatest Nigerian people! Great! Where are the banners? Please come here. My name is Rigo, and I'm a representative of the movement.
If you don't say join us, we see the live from Yaba Magistrate Court, where people they protest the arrest of Seun Kuti, popular Nigerian musician. We be speaking of late Stella and Nicola Kuti, the pioneer of Afrobeat for Nigeria.
Of the ruling class and their elites.
Seun begin trend after one video from showing they slap one police officer. Come up for social media, and after then the police inspector general been order make the arrest
against the local
Seun
people.
Kuti.
And that's how it works. Which means automatically that it is almost impossible for this security agencies to guarantee our safety because they are maybe not there in the first place for our own interest. But the thing is this, before we can see any change, we have to come together to effect that change. We need to organize and put ourselves together. This is an institutional problem. It's not even really about the policemen who are in charge. It's more than them. It's an institutional problem. It's a systemic problem. We need state reforms. We need proper constructive reorganization that will put us in the right place as Nigerian citizens. So for this reason, I'm saying to us that until there's a shift in the control of power from this ruling class to the working class people, we would not see the kind of changes that we want. To make that happen, we have to organize ourselves. Now, as we always say, there's something called African time. Now, this is not the usual thing that you hear everywhere. It's not the regular African time, which means they have to get to certain places. No. African time means that you have to dedicate at least 24 between them and the police officer. Say
they related to threat to life. Now it makes the popular musicians
if you do not do that, then
now they demand the release,
under the change,
the unconditional release of
power and control of these people. It means that we must organize. They don't like to see us like this. They don't like to see us plan. They don't like to see us put our heads together for the best plan to move us forward. Now that's the meaning of organizing, coming together, deciding on how to move forward. Now we employ everybody here to ensure that as you live here today, you start to increase your active political participation. It means that you must become a part of any organization that's concerned with community building and protecting the lives of every other citizen in Nigeria. Now it means that in organizing, there's something called the shadow government. We must come together to form a shadow government that would be watchdogs and put the incumbent government on their toes, which means that in the areas where they err, in the areas where they do not do the things they're supposed to do, we will point them in those directions. We'll give constructive criticism where necessary, and we would also give them a telling off where necessary. That means that we organize ourselves to
Rishi inscriptions like Free Seun Kuti, Stop It, Donating Innocent Youth, within Nigeria and so many others.
The way the society is structured is such that we are unable to find time to improve ourselves. It's imperialistic, it's capitalistic. By that it means that we are working almost half of our time in our lives. It means that we are almost unable to dedicate our time to other things that will help us improve or that will guarantee better standards of living for us as African people. So now if you say, as we did, no longer, we ourselves, now we organize ourselves, say, I must find the time for my own liberation, away from this work where they
Seun
just
Kuti
put our
been chopped
head.
arrest
You
after
feel me?
one
I
video
must find the time
where a
to
slap
help
police officer
myself
begin
be
trend for
free and be
social
fully
media.
liberated. Now here's the thing, with Seun Kuti's case, it's so interesting because it's what I know. In every situation, if it's a two-party situation, for instance, you hear one
Seun
side
Kuti they face charges of assault of police officer.
Seun Kuti has already given his own side of the story. He's been held under detention for about 2 days.
Assault of police officer.
It was held like 2 days first, then it was increased to 4 days. And we are here
Assault
today
of police
because
officer for Nigeria and a criminal offense.
the point is
But the matter they court now.
tendered himself voluntarily.
But the protesters they demand unconditional release of popular musician Seun Kuti
He
within
has answered
24
every question
hours.
possible. What should happen next is allow this man go home, let him organize his defense, and let him have his day. The person you should be concerned about investigating is the man who has been found to be in a coma. That's the story you want to get to be able to compare that with Seun's story that you've already seen. So what we should be hoping for now is that that man wakes from his coma so that he can start to answer questions pertaining to this case. Seun Kuti is not the one who really needs any more investigation. He has already told us everything that he needs to tell us. He has told the police his own side of the story. Let him go him at every point that you need him, he would always be available. He's a known person, he's an artist. The work that he does is such that he cannot hide. The nature of his work is such that he must always be in public spaces. Anywhere you need to see him, he would always be available. He get name, not the ordinary person. So nowhere where you want to mention him, where you no go see him. So by this, we are just saying that the illegal detention, the unnecessary detention should be put to a stop, and Seun Kuti should be freed. We are part of the movement of the people, and we encourage you to join us as we keep on organizing. This is also a part of the Free Seun Kuti campaign put together by other political organizations, socialist movements, and leftist movement. Thank you very much. My name is Enrico. MOP!
Liberation generation. Freedom government. Freedom government. Nothing shall discourage us. Nothing shall discourage us.
Don't begin the start as they don't talk waiting, they won't make Nigerians know about the matter where they grant against their
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe,
Face TV was Swoby.